Good morning, children. Today we are going to start with chapter 1 of economics, that is development. You have come across this word development quite a many times, but today we are going to talk about this development from economics point of view. First of all, we will see what is the meaning of development. You can have many meanings, but I would say that when you're working towards your aspirations and desires, it means you're developing. When you're working towards towards achieving your goals, it means you are developing. That is the meaning of development from the economics point of view. Now, the second part is the developmental goals. Now, what kind of developmental goals do people have? Now, different people have different developmental goals. That depends upon the person's life situations. Now, this is very important word, life situations. Now, people's goal, developmental goal depends upon their life situation. Now, for example, if we take a farmer and if we take a student, a farmer, what is the developmental goal of the farmer? That he should get a good rain, good monsoon, he should have a good crop, right? And his crop should have a good sale in the market. On the other hand, a student will always aspire for good marks, getting admission in a good college, etc. So, both these people, both individual have different developmental goals depending on their life situations, right? It may also happen sometimes that the developmental goals of two individuals may be conflicting. Now, how it may happen is, we will take the example of an industrialist, right? Now, there is an industrialist who wants to set up his industry in a particular place, and in that particular place there are some tribals living. It's their habitat. Now, if the industrialist, he goes to this place and wants to make an industry in this place where these tribals are living, it may be development for him, but it is destructive for these tribals because they may lose on their habitat, right? So this kind, where the development of one person is destruction for other person, this kind of development is known as conflicting development. You may have some more examples in real life. You may even cite one or two examples of your own. Now we will come to an important point, that how income is an important developmental goal. We all know income is very important. Why? Because income has something which is known as purchasing power. Because income has the power to purchase. With more income we can buy more luxury, we can buy more, a better standard of living, right? So income is an important goal. Why? Because all the material goods, all the material things which you need to live comes out of this income. So more the income, more is the standard of living, right? So if income is more, standard of living will automatically increase, right? Now, the other point here to discuss is whether income is the only goal which is important, which a person looks for. No. There are things which are other than income. We call them as non-material goals. Now, what are non-material goals? Non-material goals include safety, includes freedom, includes respect. Now, I'll give you an example, that if a person comes to you and offers you a job in which the income is very high, right? But the person says that you'll have to live in a particular area and you will not be able to move out very frequently. You will not be able to live with meet your friends and family very often. Obviously, you will not look for such job, right? Because More than in addition to income, we have safety, freedom, respect, friendship, family, right? All these goals are also as important as family, as important as income, right? So there are material goals which are known as income goals, and there are non-material goals which are called other than income goals. I hope this part is clear to you. Now we shall be moving to mix of goals. Now what do you mean by mix of goals? Now as I told you that we have two types of goals. One is income and one is other than income, where you have safety, freedom, right? Self-respect, etc. So other than income. So always when people talk about goals, they want to have a mix of goals, mix of both, where they get income as well as other than income. So people will have such developmental goals which have a mix of both of these income and non-materialistic goals. Right? I hope I am clear. You're through with this. Now we shall come to national development. Now till now we have been seeing that the developmental goals of an individual, isn't it? Of an individual. We were talking about individuals' income, individuals other than income goals. In the similar way, when we talk about national development, we also have income goals as well as we have other than income goals. So for individual also we have income goals and other than income goals. And for country also, or for a nation also, we have income and other than income goals. Now we shall be dealing about both these in the next part of our video. Thank you so much. Refer to your textbook, and I would suggest you to solve table 1.1, which is given in your page number 4. Here the category of person is given, as well as the goals and aspirations of these people are given. There are some examples mentioned. You may write your own answers here. Thank you so much. Good day.